So welcome to another Thursday Thoughts. So following on from my Machine Monday post where I speak about how we assemble catalytic converters on this production line, today I want to talk a little bit about my opinion on catalytic converters and the whole EV topic. So I want to try and keep it real with you. So here's some facts. So in 2019, we produced globally approximately 95 to 98 million vehicles. We also have approximately 50,000 commercial shipping vessels currently in operation. We have approximately 5 million shipping vessels in operation. And that doesn't even include any of the stationary generators, the off-highway vehicles that all use internal combustion engines and all need one of these at least. And here you see one of the commercial catalytic converters standing next to me. And in 2021, 8% of the vehicles sold were electric vehicles. And of that, a large majority of the 8% were actually also plug-in hybrids. And a number of those actually have catalytic converters in them. So if you consider the fact that the most aggressive targets are by, say, for example, 2030, we'll get to a 50-50 scenario where 50% are alternative energy vehicles and 50% are ICE engines or internal combustion engines, it still means that we will need these critical components to clean the exhaust gases that come out of these vehicles. So what does that mean for us? So I'll tell you what we're doing at Jendamark. We are doubling down the investment both in EV assembly technology as well as catalytic converter assembly technology, because without the catalytic converter, until we get to a real alternative energy, we're going to be needing these for a very, very, very long time. So our take is that we need to invest in both alternative energies as well as the existing technologies that we have that actually clean the exhaust gases out of our existing internal combustion engines. Here's another Thursday Thought.